Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO C55 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So all we have to do is to actually enable the developer options where we've got the option connected with the automatic updates. So let's enter the settings, tap on About Phone, and localize MIUI version. We have to keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. If you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about it. So we've got the developer options applied, so we can go back to the general settings and scroll down to find the additional settings. Let's tap on it. Then let's scroll down and find the developer options, and right here in this list, we have to localize the option Automatic System Updates. We can turn it on just by tapping on the switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not really have to manually update your device. However, remember about restarting it from time to time, so it will basically have a chance to download and apply the updates. Of course, you can turn this option off the same way, so just by tapping on the switcher. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.